Hello my dear students, I welcome you to this session of Python programming. In today's session, we are going to discuss the update operation in the Python Oracle connectivity. So for the update operation, you need to write the update statement to write the query, and to execute the query you would require the execute statement. Now the update operation can be performed either with constants or with bind variables and a sequence, or with bind variables and a dictionary. Remember, with bind variables and a sequence, the sequence must have at least 2 entries for you to execute the query properly. And then obviously, since update is a DML statement, so you require a commit statement to save the changes at the back end. So I'll discuss all these options with you through a code that I have written for you guys. So let me just start a Python session for you, and from there I can open up a query, a few queries that I've written in a code file for you. So I'll open this query for you. So you can see now here I have taken up a connection object, and before that I've imported the cx_oracle module, which is required to for you to connect Python with Oracle. Then through this connect statement and giving the username and password, you connect to Python, and then you need to create a cursor object for you to write queries and display results. So this cursor object is created with the name as cur. Now I've written this query: update emp set sal equal to 9999, where emp number is equal to 778. So I'm using all the constant values. Okay, and then with the execute statement I run this query. This is one way of running your queries. That is, first you give a query in some variable which I have taken here as stat, and then passing that variable to the execute statement. So if this statement, update statement, is executed successfully, then the employee number 7788 will have his salary updated to 9999, whatever the previous value might be. So for that, first let's go to backend and see what is the current salary of employee number 7788. So 7788 Scott has a salary of 5000 right now. Okay, the salary is 5000. So if I run this code, the salary would be updated to 9999. So let's run this code. So, and let's again go to backend and display the records now. And remember, 7788's previous salary was 5000. By running this code, it gets updated to 9999. You can see it here. The update has taken place. Okay, let's go to the second part of the program now. I'll just make this a comment. Okay, and I'll uncomment this. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to input an employee number and storing it in the variable t, and then I'm executing the query update emp set manager number equal to :1, sal equal to :2, where emp number is equal to :3, where obviously :1, :2 and :3 are my bind variables, and to provide values to these variables I am using a sequence here with 3 values, 3000, 10,000 and t. So 3000 is for manager number. Let me just make it say 4500. Okay, because I think currently it is set to 3000. 7788 manager number is currently set to 3000, so we'll set it to 4500. Okay, and salary will set to 10,000, which is currently 9999. Fine. Okay, and the employee number is whatever employee number we provide. So we'll provide the value of t as 7788. Okay, so let's run this code to see whether the changes they take place. So when I run this, it is asking for employee number. I'll give it as 7788. The query is executed. Let's now again go to backend, and the current values are here in front of you: 9999, 3000. They would be updated now to 4500 here and 10,000 here. So let me just list it once again. So now you can see that the MGR number has been updated to 4500 and salary to 10,000. So that was the second part of our program, in which we used a sequence like I've used here and a variable, and then I wrote the query and executed the query. So once again, I'll comment this and I'll uncomment these now. Now in this query, I've used a dictionary. I have inputted employee number, salary and commission. Okay. So my query is update M set sal equal to :1. So :1 would be my variable B. Okay. That is the salary here. And com equal to :2. So I'm updating salary and commission, and where emp number is equal to :3, that is A. So I'm inputting emp number A here also. So I'll do the same things for employee number 7788. So let's first look the current values. The salary is 10,000, okay, and the commission is 100. That's the two things that we need to change. I'll change the salary to 2500 and commission to 500. Okay. So let's run our code now. Obviously, employee number we are targeting is 7788. Salary I will put as 2500 and commission as 500. So the code has executed. Let's now go back to our backend. These are the current values here in front of you. Salary is 10,000 and commission is 100, which now would be updated to 2500 and 500. So let's now once again display the things. So now you can see that employee number 7788 has his salary updated to 2500 and commission updated to 500. Okay. So that is how you can take the help of these update and the execute statements, and you can use like I've used a dictionary here in this case, and I've used a sequence here in this case, and I've used constants here. Okay. So I hope that this video would be helpful for executing your queries and connectivity. So I'll come up with more videos like this in future. So till then, keep watching. Thank you.